Okay, here are a couple of things about merging solids and sheets. Here in this scene we have a solid, the cube, and the sheet, which is the cylinder. Here it's empty. If we want to merge these two, making a Boolean union, if you first select the sheet, then the solid, press Q twice, then you get a fail. The Boolean failed because you first selected the sheet, then the solid. If you do it the other way around, select first the solid, then the sheet, again QQ, you have a successful Boolean. Another thing, if the sheet goes through the solid, again, if you first select the sheet and then the solid, make a union Boolean, it failed. If you select the solid, then the sheet, make a Boolean union, it works. But now you have a sheet instead of a solid. Now it's hollow on this side. So keep these things in mind when you merge solids and sheets.